The crane will leave here via barge, and it's going to go through Lake Michigan up the St. Lawrence Seaway and go to the Atlantic. And there, my understanding is that they're going to cross-transfer it to a vessel that will then take it through the Panama Canal and up the west coast of the United States. I'm Dan Schuler, president of Broadwind Heavy Fabrications. I'm responsible for our facility here in Manitowoc, Wisconsin, and our facility in Abilene, Texas. We're making in conjunction with Konecranes. We do all of the heavy fabrication work and deliver our parts here to the pad. Konecranes finishes the assembly of the crane. This crane in particular is for the U.S. Navy. It's going to Bremerton, Washington for servicing the nuclear submarine fleet on the West Coast.
This crane has got 175-ton lift capacity, and it stands about 147 feet tall at the top of the A-frame, and it weighs 2.4 million pounds. I'm Bill Gamble. I'm the site superintendent here at the Konecranes construction site in Manitowoc.
Myself, I prefer the bigger the better, which is mainly what our shop does over here, is the large weldments. My name is Bob Waniger, working at Broadwind Heavy Fabrications in Manitowoc. Once we have a part built, we have our inspection crew come through, dimensional. Then we assign our welders, weld it out. They inspect their own work. Then I try going over, and then back to another inspection round, and so on and so forth.
It's kind of a very interesting job. What we do is, to me, is pretty unique. I mean, we've had lifts here over 300,000 pounds, and a lot of critical bolt torquing is done. They are built to very strict, naval specifications. A lot of people don't understand that. They're giant, but their capacity is not as big as you would think, but everything with the Navy is a 5-to-1 safety factor, so.
This is something that we've been really interested in kind of doing for fun, and we think it's a great thing for Manitowoc, a great thing for our employees. The beer that's going to be made for it is kind of got a West Coast, Seattle type of connection. So my understanding, it's going to be a beer that we're going to have a little bit of a coffee ingredient in it.
My biggest joy about this job is coming in and to always large pieces to be working on and see the end result of watching that crane get built out front.
I take a lot of pride, my guys take a lot of pride. By far my favorite job I've ever had. I haven't had that too many in my life, but I love coming here. Every day gives me somewhat of a challenge, and it's that challenge of accomplishing everything I need to accomplish that day and getting it done.
You can see in a crane like this, it takes a lot of coordination, a lot of engineering, but it takes a lot of pride and workmanship. And to be involved in a crane like this is just, after almost a 40-year career in manufacturing, I don't know that you could get anything much neater or cooler. I really appreciate all the effort that our employees put into these, and it's really exciting to make products like you see behind us and have a partner like Konecranes in order to do it.
Our material handlers have a name for every part, and if you don't know the names, you won't find the part because you won't be known by the part number. It's always by a nickname. Yes. Oh, we got anything from Pikachus to the Brown Georges to you name it. They come up with some dandies. I don't know what a Pikachu is, but I know which part he's talking about.